On this video today, I'm going to show step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the offer that you can promote and a free traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the product for you to make money from wherever you are in the world. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. In this case, I've joined Digis224. Digis224 is one of the largest affiliate network where you can find a lot of products to promote wherever you are in the world. So just search for Digis224. Once you search for it, create an account. It is free to create an account wherever you are in the world. So just search for Digis224 and then create an account. Once you create an account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a product that you can promote so that you can make money anytime you get a sale. There are many products on this platform, so all that you need to do is that you have to select the product that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. There are several ways of finding the best product to promote. First of all, you can sort them based on different factors. For example, if you click right here, you can sort the products based on popularity. That means you want products that are popular on this platform. You can also sort by earning per sale. You can sort by earning per card vista, publication date, card conversion rate, and then cancellation rate. You can see, so any of these factors that you want, you can select it and then sort the products. The cancellation rate is the number of people who purchase the product and then return it for a refund. The cart conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So if the cancellation rate is low, it means the product is good. If the cart conversion rate is high, it means the product is good, people are purchasing it. So there's a likelihood that you also get a sale when you promote the product. There are many products on this platform. Apart from these factors, you can also select a specific category of products that you want. For example, if you want digital products, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, digital products. Once you click on it, you can see different categories that you can find digital products to promote. You can see they have animals and pets, betting systems, business and investment, computer and internet, and many other categories. Any category that you want, you can find it on this platform and then get available offers that you can promote to earn a commission. Once you get a sale, you can see they have health and fitness, hobby and craft, home and garden, hotels and gastronomy, languages, law and justice, and a whole lot of different categories. Just click on any of them that you want so that you can find the available offers that you can promote. Apart from the digital products, they also have services that you can promote. They have events and seminars that you can promote. You can also promote physical products. So all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, shipping products. Once you click on it, you can see they have skincare products, they have food and supplements that you can promote to make money from home. There are a whole lot of different products that you can promote on this platform. In this case, I have a specific product that I've been promoting, so I'm going to show you how you can promote it. If you want, you can select any product that you want. You don't have to promote the one that I'm promoting. You can select any product that you want. A lot of people are going to be promoting the product that I'm going to promote here. So you have to be innovative and select a different product that have the factors that I've considered before promoting the product. The factors that I've considered before promoting this product is that it has a good commission rate. You can see $130.33. That is the amount that you are going to earn for every sale that you get. Apart from the commission rate, the cart conversion rate is also high. So you can see it is 24%. That means if you get people to click on it, about 24% of those people are going to make a purchase for you to make money. So let's say you get 200 clicks, you can get 24% of those 200 clicks converting to sales so that you can be making money. So even if you are able to get 5 sales per day, 10 sales per day, you can imagine the amount of money that you are going to earn promoting this product. Now once you have selected the product, the next step is that you have to click right here so that you can get other information about the product. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see these are other details of the product. You can see this is the price of the product. Once you scroll further, you can see they have a sales page. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see when they click on your affiliate link. They also have affiliate support page. That is a page where you can find resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the product. But in this case, I don't need any affiliate resources. I have my own way of promoting the product, so I'm not going to click right here. But if you are new to the product, you have to click on the sales page so that you can be able to get some basic information about the product. The landing page contains a lot of information that can convince people to purchase the product. So you as an affiliate, you have to always make sure that you get familiar with those information before you promote the product. As you can see, this is the landing page of the product. You can see a whole lot of details. It is a dental product, so it helps people to maintain healthy teeth and gums. When you scroll further, you can see the ingredients that they use to make the product. When you scroll down, you can see they have bonuses for your potential customers. You can see they have free shipping. There are testimonials. People have bought the product and they have gotten the result that they desire. So it is a good product. When you scroll down, you can see they have the product in different packages. You can see the different packages of the product. Any of the package that your potential visitors purchase, they are going to get free shipping. You can see free shipping, free shipping, free shipping. Apart from that, when you scroll down, there are many other details that you can find on the sales page. You can see these are the frequently asked questions. If you have any question, you can click on any of these questions and then read so that you can understand the product much better. Once you have seen the landing page, the next step is that you have to begin promoting the product. To promote the product, click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, you'll be able to get access to your affiliate link, which you can promote and then get people to purchase the product through your affiliate link so that you can be paid a commission of $130.33. Now, once you have your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the product. There are many traffic sources that you can use, but in this case, I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the product for you to earn money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is adsinlondon.co.uk. This is a classified website where you can post your ads for free to people who live in the United Kingdom. You don't need to pay for anything. And you can post in one of these categories. You can see flats and houses, cars and vehicles, community. You can see travel and recreation, services, for sale and to buy, and many other categories. Just select the one that you want so that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. To post an ad, first of all, you have to create an account. So click right here. Once you click on it, select my account. Once you select it, you can be able to create an account for free without paying for anything. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post free ads. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The first step is that you have to select a city in London. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the different places in London. So select all London. That means you are targeting all over London. Once that is done, you have to select the category of the ad that you want to post. So click on it. Once you click on it, select for sale and to buy. Once you select it, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down and then select the subcategory. So click right here. Once you click on it, it is a dental product. So select health and beauty. Once that is done, you can see ad type, supply, demand. So just leave it supply. You are selling something, so you are supplying something. Once that is done, you have to enter a title for your ad and a description. So you have to write a catchy title right here so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So what I usually do is that I use ChatGPT to write the ad description in the title. So all that you need to do is that you have to type a prompt like this. Write an ad description for ProDentim supplement. That is the name of the product. Once you type it, it is going to write an ad description in the title. You can see this is my ad title and a description. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the title, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste the title here. Once that is done, you have to come back on ChatGPT and then highlight and copy everything. Highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight and copy the description, you have to come back on your ad, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link. So you have to type a call to action here so that you can insert your affiliate link. So you have to type something like copy and paste this link into your browser to get access to the offer. Type something like this. Once you type it, the next step is that you have to copy and paste your affiliate link here. So come back on Digistudent4. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Come back and then paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, this is your affiliate link. So your potential viewers have to copy this link and then paste it onto their browser so that they can get access to the product. Once that is done, you have to enter the price. You can see the price right here. So come back on day student 4. Once you come back on day student 4, you can see this is the price of the product. What you need to do is that you have to enter the price right here. You can see the currency is in pounds and the pounds is higher than the dollar, so definitely the product price is going to decrease. So let's enter 168 pounds. Just enter it like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload images of the product. So what you need to do is that you have to search for images of the product so that you can use it. Let's search for the name of the product, Prodentin. So search for Prodentin images. Once you search on Google, click on images so that you can find images of the product. As you can see, these are images of the product. Right click on any of the images. Once you right click on it, select save image so that you can save the image and then use it on your ad. As you can see, this is the image. Select save images so that you can save the image. Just download as many images as you want so that you can use them on your ad. Download as many as you want. Once you download the images, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, add photos. Once you click on add photos, you have to select your images. Select the images and then click on open. As you can see, that has been done. The images have been uploaded. You can upload up to 12 images. Once you upload your images, you have to scroll down. You can see these are your information. You can see everything. Just leave everything at the default. If you want, you can enter your phone number right here. You can see right here you have to enter your phone number. To enter your phone number, you have to search for a fake UK number so that you can use it on your ad. So open a new tab and then search for fake UK address, something like this, fake UK address. Once that is done, click on the first website. Once you click on it, you can see this is a fake number that you can use. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back on your ad. Once you come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see featured listening. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see a whole lot of different options that you can select. So any of them that you select, you have to make a payment. You can see a whole lot of different options that you can select. If you want your ad to stay longer on this website, click right here and then select any of these so that you can make the corresponding payment. You can see if you want your ad to be at the top, click right here and then make the corresponding payment. You can see the first one is £5, you can see £9, £15 and the rest. You can see this one premium. Click on it. You can see the number of days and then the corresponding amount. Any of them that you want, you can select it. But in this case, we are not going to use the premium version. What we want to do is that we want to post our ad for free. So just ignore all of this. Once that is done, scroll down and then click right here, I'm not a robot. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to click right here, post my ad now. Apart from the first website, you can also post your ad on this platform, idolclassifieds.com. On this website, you can also post your ad for free without paying for anything. You can see these are ads that people have posted onto the platform. So you can also post your ad onto this website so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. The first one, because of the number, if you are not able to post your ad, you can post your ad onto this platform, or you can come platform right here, post quick ads. You can also post your ad onto this platform without paying for anything. So make sure you go and take action and then post your ads onto the 3 websites that I've shown you so that you can make money from home without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.